Hey guys, and welcome to another video from KL Designs. Today we're going to be dealing with installing plugins in WordPress. Now there's two different ways you can do it. We're going to show you both today. So the very first way we're going to do is just downloading it straight from WordPress. Now this does only work with free plugins. So when you're in your dashboard, first thing you want to do is on this left menu, go down to plugins. And then at the top, press select new. From here you're going to get a few options. Some of the featured plugins, BuddyPress, WP Super Cache, BB Press. So we're just going to pick Super Cache. So you just press select now. Once it installs the package, which everything will happen automatically, all you have to do is press activate plugin. And from there, you're good to go. You can see if you scroll down WP Super Cache, it's active, and you're good to go. The next stage is going to be doing some of the settings and setting the plugin up to your preference. And each situation is going to be a little bit different. But we won't go into the specifics of Super Cache settings. So the next way we're going to show is how to do it from a zip file. So you're going to select plugins again. And when you're here, you press add new once again. So before, where you could search for a specific plugin here, or if you just select one, what we're going to do is we're going to click on upload a plugin. It's going to bring you to this screen where you can upload your zip file and you select it. So we're going to choose a file, go into the desktop, and then we have the Ultimate Member plugin. So once you've selected it, you've choose your file and everything's here, all you have to do is press install now, and the rest is exactly the same as we did before. So from here you're going to press activate plugin, and then you'll see here Ultimate Member is installed. And you just have to go through, define your roles, and do whatever's specific for that plugin. But that's it. That's everything. That is how you install a plugin in WordPress. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. And we hope that you will like and share the video. Leave your comments below if there's any topics that you'd like to talk about in the future or like to see a video of. And we'll be more than happy to bring that resource to you. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.